with Kentucky Fried Chicken. Sweet and savory, it's cooked to order. Get it in a basket or a sandwich. Only at KFC, it's finger-licking good.
Something major is dropped. Gotcha. The Fortnite Jumbo Loot Llama is here. Fortnite.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of Food and Drug Administration, Centers for Disease and Control, and United States government. This is a food contamination warning for the state of Virginia and Washington. At 11:05 a.m., all of the licorice products are contaminated with an unknown virus. It is believed that licorice has a bunch of germs. However, it may cause death, and all residents in the state of Virginia and Washington are told to follow these instructions. Do not eat licorice that is contaminated with an unknown virus. You can eat candy brands that are not contaminated. Put the licorice product onto the cart and the National Guard will take it into an undisclosed location. Do not throw the licorice away. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Turkey Hill salutes the Decision Challenged. You inspired us to turn Neapolitan ice cream into Triopolitans. 3 carefully curated flavors in each carton, like triple chocolate with rich and creamy fudge swirls and chocolate chips. New
This is an update from the CDC and United States government that is issued 2 hours ago. Approximately 500 people in the state of Virginia are infected with a virus which is believed to be coronavirus or COVID-19. It is believed that coronavirus is related to the contamination of licorice products that were reported 2 hours ago. The symptoms of this coronavirus include coughing, shortness of breath, and fever. It is expected that the virus will spread to Washington in the coming hours. The intent of the outbreak is unknown at this time. To protect yourself from the virus, all residents are urged not to go to crowded places. Also, please do not touch your face and lick the wall. Just wash your hands with soap and water or clean your hands with alcohol. If you or your loved ones get infected, call 911 for help. Scientists of the CDC are working for the cure of this virus. Please stay tuned in local media outlets for more information as it becomes available.
This is big. Lobster Fest has something for every lobster fan, like wild-caught lobster and chips for $19.99. Hand-battered golden lobster for a great price? What are you waiting for? Let's Lobster Fest. Or get pickup or delivery at redlobster.com.
Sonic just introduced tachos. Look at that cheese sauce.
Bacon, too, so crispy.
And Baja Blend?
Love those spicy jalapenos.
Tachos. It's like I'm saying nachos, but I'm not.
It's not that.
According to the United States government and CDC, all counties in Washington are advised to follow the quarantine procedures. You are advised to wear surgical mask at all times. Please follow the hygiene rules. If you are not following the hygiene rules, you will be tested positive and the COVID-19. Please stand by. New information has stated by the United States government. The coronavirus is spreading to the following cities in Washington in 24 hours: Seattle, Vancouver, Spokane, Tacoma, Olympia, Bellevue, Everett, Bellingham, Kirkland, Yakima, Redmond, Renton, Puyallup, Kennewick, Richland, Auburn, Linwood, Pasco, Wenatchee, Bothell, Bremerton, Lacey, Federal Way, Walla Walla, Leavenworth, Issaquah, Moses Lake, Marysville, Tri-Cities, Gig Harbor, Port Angeles, Woodinville, Edmonds, Ellensburg, and George. All citizens are advised that some of the buildings are in fully lockdown. Please do not panic. Every school or work will be suspended when this happens. Please stay tuned in local media outlets for more information as it becomes available.
Popeye's $10 Tenders box is a tasty feast for two. It's packed with 6 tenders, 2 sides, and 2 buttery biscuits. Did I mention it's all just $10?
Love that chicken from Popeyes.
And don't forget to pick up your Cajun-style turkey today.
And the kick is so good!
Shut up, guys. Everything's gonna be okay. You guys remember how to tap, right? You guys are ready to order Outback through DoorDash.
Yeah!
Outback Steakhouse, now available on DoorDash.
I'm gonna need some help getting up.
Daddy, you're gonna need a lot of work.
Oh, okay. I'm clearly not the boss here. But with the DQ sauced and tossed chicken strip basket, I'm the sauce boss. It's my choice of honey barbecue or sweet and tangy sesame glaze on juicy, all-white meat chicken strips and served with a side of fries, Texas toast, and ranch. So when it comes to flavor, I'm in charge.
Eyes closed.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Central Intelligence Agency, Centers for Disease and Control, and United States government. It is believed that coronavirus has spread into 15 states of America. These states include Florida, New York, California, Idaho, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Arizona, Colorado, Michigan, Georgia, Ohio, Massachusetts, Alaska, and Illinois. Residents in these following states under threat by the coronavirus are advised to stay home at all times. Do not go outside. Emergency curfew will be declared in 2 weeks. If you want to go out, you should join with your parent. If you go by yourself, you will be arrested. All schools are ordered to be suspended. This coronavirus is classified as a biological hazard. It is also reported that all zoos in 15 states stricken by the coronavirus have 2.2 million people tested positive for the COVID-19. All zoos have been ordered to close immediately. If you are in a zoo, leave now. All aquariums are now closed until further notice. American Air Control has ordered all flights to ground immediately in an open space. All flights in the airports in these states are delayed. Please stay tuned for more information on this event.
The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. With its ultra-wide professional-grade camera. So you can capture even more. And share even more on an amazingly fast network.
History has been made.
This is the international emergency warning for Canada, Mexico, and United States of America. The coronavirus is spreading all over North America. It is now reported that 2.5 billion cases have tested positive for the COVID-19. The coronavirus is spreading to these states in Canada. These states in Canada include British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador. Approximately between 2.4 and 2.1 million cases in Canada are being tested positive for the COVID-19. To avoid yourself, all citizens need to stay home at all times. Do not panic. Wear surgical mask at all times. If you have a tissue, cover your mouth when you sneeze. Follow the hygiene rules as it follows. Do not lick the walls with your tongue. Wash your hands with soap and water/clean hands with alcohol. Avoid going to crowded places. Never touch your face with your dirty hands, and never lie down on the bed with dirty clothes. If you do that, your bed will be contaminated. If you are religious, please pray to God. Gather everyone in your home to be safe from COVID-19. Be healthy and God bless North America.
Il s'agit de l'alerte d'urgence internationale pour le Canada, le Mexique et les États-Unis d'Amérique. Le coronavirus se propage dans toute l'Amérique du Nord. Il est maintenant rapporté que 2,5 milliards de cas ont été testés positifs pour le Covid-19. Le coronavirus se propage dans ces États au Canada. Ces États au Canada comprennent la Colombie-Britannique, l'Alberta, la Saskatchewan, le Manitoba, l'Ontario, le Québec, le Nouveau-Brunswick, la Nouvelle-Écosse, l'île du Prince-Édouard et Terre-Neuve et Labrador. Entre 2,4 et 2,1 millions de cas au Canada sont testés positifs pour le Covid-19. Pour vous éviter, tous les citoyens doivent rester à la maison en tout temps. Ne panique pas. Portez un masque chirurgical en tout temps. Si vous avez un mouchoir, couvrez-vous la bouche lorsque vous éternuez. Suivez les règles d'hygiène comme suit, ne léchez pas les murs avec votre langue, lavez-vous les mains avec du savon et de l'eau, nettoyez-vous les mains avec de l'alcool, évitez d'aller dans des endroits surpeuplés, ne touchez jamais votre visage avec vos mains sales et ne vous allongez jamais sur le lit avec des vêtements sales. Si vous faites cela, votre lit sera contaminé. Si vous êtes religieux, veuillez prier Dieu. Rassemblez tout le monde dans votre maison pour être à l'abri de Covid-19. Soyez en bonne santé et que Dieu bénisse l'Amérique du Nord.